today's video, I'll show you on how to watch anime for free and legally. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open your favorite web browser and type in anime321.fun. So this is the home screen. You can scroll down and get some information about the site if you're interested. To see the categories, click the three lines in the top left hand corner. Now you can navigate through movies, TV series, most popular, and new season. If you already know what you're looking for, you also have the search bar here as well. Right off the bat, they'll have some featured animes on the top page. Next, you have trending. It'll go all the way up to the top 10 animes on this site. If you haven't noticed, there's definitely a similarity here to a Netflix site. When you scroll down, you'll see subbed, but they also have dubbed as well. Once you find the anime that you're looking for, click watch now. You'll then be redirected to this page. Here, you'll find all the episodes. And there you go. On to the next site, All Wish Me. All Wish Me is another great anime site where you can watch all of your favorite anime. This site has the same layout as the last one. So, page description on the bottom, top left hand corner, you have those three icons, and so on. Once you've picked the category or search the anime that you want to watch, hit play, and you're good to go. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!